Alright guys, in today's video I am doing these connections because look at them. Damn, this one's getting on fire. So I got new ones. Dorman. Oh, that poor doggy. I probably have him tied up. The number is 85810. That is the part number. 85810. Dorman. So I guess it's just a universal. Connector with the 3-prong. Because the other one I had, it wasn't it. Let me show you that. This one. This one's totally different. Than this one. It's wider. But this one does say it's for Ford. So yeah. But probably for another Ford. Not this one. And I already checked it, so it works. So you already know how we do this. Yeah, because you should learn. You should be learning. I got this new stuff that's supposed to. Let's see, guys, because it's kind of really sunny today. It is probably like 2 o'clock. So these, when you heat them up, they heat up and they melt. Really cool. I did it on the other side to practice test. See, I can't even see if you're in there. I can't even see if I'm in there. Oop, I'm not. There. So I'm just gonna straighten out all these and then go one by one. This thing's all twisted out. Probably gonna go off this black one first and see what this is. There's some tape in here. Ooh, yeah, they kind of like. Get some crazy stuff there, huh? Oh, that poor dog. So, yeah. We're gonna do that one first. Oh, there we go. Oh my goodness, what are they doing to that dog? Jeez Louise. But you just match it. It's gonna be this one we're gonna do. These. Yeah, because the red one is gonna be the top one, and then it's gonna be the side one. This back one this one would be the ground. Probably cut it up here. And you twist that. Then for this one, it's gonna be yellow. Maybe cut some of this wire off. It's just like those other ones. You just connect them like that. Oops. I'm trying to show you, and I'm like up there, and I can't do it like that. Oh man, this thing just stabs. Harbor Freight needs to make a different pair of these wire cutters. Let's see, we got it there. Nope. Very hard to get it with that one. Somewhat. Put it right there. I can start doing these because these mother lovers, these suckers are old. Especially this one. These don't even come out smooth because they're so old. You hear that shit? This one did. I'm surprised. I think that side on the right got a lot of water because it was harder to splice those than it was splicing these. So it's going way easier. Yeah, I already messed up. Let's get this black thing out of the way. Yep, it is that one. Let's see. And I'm in the sun, it's hard, a little harder. Freaker. Squeeze that sucker hard, guys. Squeeze that sucker hard. It's because this one was really big for all of these. Oh my goodness. Poor dog. What the hell? Ooh, and I forgot to put one of them sleeves. Gosh dang it. Another protective sleeve I was gonna put on. Whoa, too hot there, too hot there. Or the smoke. So don't do that, guys. Start to smoke there for a second. And then it's kind of cool because it changes that clear to foggy right now. You're going to see. There's a chemical reaction. You see it foggy in the bottom? Watch out, if I blow air, it's going to go crazier. It gets foggier. And it gets hard. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna do that to all of them, and that's it. Hopefully it works because I haven't tested it. I should have cut them all, connected them, and see if it works. But it should work. You never know, wires could be broken, so always test it. Okay. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace. Oh, actually, too, I gotta show you. So I put all that on already. Oh shit, don't fall. Got so much stuff on the floor. So yeah, I got that all done. It's looking pretty cool. I never had a truck that was all fancy pantsy like this. Damn. Who the hell is that? Who you? So that's cool, man. Need to get the hood because the hood's real ugly. But yeah, and then I painted this, guys. Should be dry already. Ooh, that's nice and dry. Nice. Yeah, I'm gonna go inside more. It's just that I wanted to put this on already so I can have this on and then start going inside there. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Look, bird shit. Peace.